Hello everyone, my name is Himanshu Sharma. I am from BBA department first year, and today we're gonna discuss about the economic impact of the COVID-19 in year 2020. As we all know, the economic impact of the 2020 coronavirus pandemic in India has been largely disruptive. India's growth in the fourth quarter of the fiscal year 2020 went down to 3.1% according to the Ministry of Statistics. The chief economic advisor to the government of India said that this drop is mainly due to COVID-19 pandemic effect on the Indian economy. Notably, India has also been witnessing a pre-pandemic slowdown, and according to the World Bank, the current pandemic has magnified pre-existing risks to the Indian economic outlook. The World Bank and rating agencies had initially revised India's growth for the year 2021 with the lowest figures India has seen in the 3 decades since India's economic liberalization in 1990s. However, after the announcement of the economic package in mid-May, India's GDP estimates were downgraded even more to negative figures, signaling a deep recession. According to Nomura Indian Business Resumption, Index economic activity fell from 82.9 on the 22 March to 44.7 on 26 April. By 13 September, 22 economic activity was nearly back to pre-lockdown. Unemployment rose from 6.7% on 15th March to 26% on 19 April, and then back to pre-lockdown levels by mid-June. During the lockdown, an estimated 14 crore people lost employment while salaries were cut for many others. More than 45% of households across the nation have reported an income drop as compared to the previous year. The Indian economy was expected to lose over 32,000 crore every day during the first 21 days of the complete lockdown, which was declared following the coronavirus outbreak. Major companies in India such as Larsen & Toubro, Ultratech Cement, Aditya Birla Group, etc. have temporarily suspended or significantly reduced operation. Young startups have been impacted as the funding has fallen. Fast-moving consumer goods companies in the country have significantly reduced operation or focusing on essentials. Stock market in India posted their worst losses in history on 23rd March 2020. However, on 25th March, one day after a complete 21-day lockdown was announced by the Prime Minister, Sensex and Nifty posted their biggest gains in 11 years. However, in year 2021, unpredicted rise in COVID-19 cases is likely to slow down India's economic recovery, but the overall impact will be milder in comparison to the last year devastation. Experts say that extent of economic loss during the second wave will primarily depend on how fast the chain of the infection can be broken. While COVID-19 containment rules are less stringent compared to the last year nationwide lockdown, economic activity is gradually declining as more states opt for strict norms to the containing rapidly rising daily cases.